Hee-haw, boy am I good. A update on the 55 center brackets and reseal. Holding water for a week now. Seals, phenomenal. Center brackets, strong, going nowhere. We are ready to rock and roll. Ready to fill this up, get a certain fish in here that's been waiting for a while in some quarantine. 4 2x4s, some 3/4 inch wood on the top. Pretty simple build. Pretty simple. Pretty simple. But if you want to know how I did it, subscribe. Go back into my other videos. Figure it all out. Comment. Ring the bell. We'll see you later.